Hey, what's up? This is Jesus Dreads, and welcome to my channel again. Uh, yeah, just wanted to make like a little vlog thing, like a little update video. I call it that. So yeah. So for the past couple of days, I've been perfecting my craft at crochet hooking, and so my hair's probably about 1.5 inches, maybe. I could probably measure it real quick. I'm not using a ruler, I'm using a tape measure, but it's like it's more long in the back, it seems like. I'm gonna put my thumb like right there. It's about 2 inches in the back. On the top, it's not too tall. It's probably the longest strand is like 1.5 inches. So it's about 1.5 inches. So um so I'll probably make a video like how to crochet hook your hair, and I'll probably put like what I plan to do is get like one of my old locks, because I had 2 sets of dreadlocks and I cut them both off. But this time I'm doing the crochet needle method. So I think I'm gonna get one of my old locks, and like kind of demo on that, see what you have to do. But I'll show you what I've got so far. And granted, my hair's like 1.5 inches. So I think this is pretty awesome that you can do it at this length, but I'll show you what I have done. Yeah, you can't really tell unless I like get the camera like really close. But yeah, you can see where I like sectioned it up. And like you can see, like I tried to, put them together. You can kind of see a little bit better right there. But yeah, I even try to blunt the tips a little bit. But it's kind of hard to tell really. But you can see what I've done. And the ends are not really wispy like normal. Like if you didn't blunt the tips. So like, yeah. So like that's what I got so far. And um but yeah, I just wanted to kind of update people on the channel. And yeah, like I think this is gonna help like a lot of people that want to get dreadlocks. Cause yeah, I know a lot of people try to do it with short hair. And I know a lot of people try to do it with like not kinky or coily hair. So like pretty much straight to like curly hair. And so I know it's gonna help a lot of people. But yeah, so been working on that. It takes a really long time, I gotta say, to do this. If you don't want to break hair, it takes a tremendous amount of time. But I'll make a separate video tomorrow on like how to do it. But that's gonna be it. I'll see you later. Peace.